Hi, I'm Bob, founder of Greasweep, a new plant-based oil absorbent. And basically I'm showing you the difference between Greasweep, my plant-based product, and the clay products that are out there right now on the market. Absorbing itself, let's say this is 1 truckload, or we're going to go by 1 cup. It's going to absorb itself, which is 1 cup of product, into this. Then you have 1 cup of product or 1 truckload of product going into the landfill. With the clay-based product, it's going to take not only 5 truckloads, but you still have a truckload of liquid or a cup of liquid, whichever way you want to look at it, that you're adding to this. So that means there would be 6 truckloads going out in the landfill compared to 1 truckload going out in the landfill. So this is going to be another quick demonstration that we're going to do using oil. And so in this one, we're going to be obviously using the Greasweep product and the clay-based product. And what we're going to do is we're going to pour the clay-based product around in a circle. We're going to do the same thing with Greasweep. Put it in a circle. Now the velocity of the oil is thicker and it takes more time to absorb. If it's just sitting there, it will absorb it up. So I'm showing you what Greasweep sweep means, because to sweep it, it goes and absorbs just as quick as you sweep it around. So in here we just made a berm, and we're going to put the oil on top of the product. So we got berm on both sides. So as you can see, if we just left it there, it would absorb. But what we're going to do is we're going to actually do the mixing. So we're going to do the labor and see if we can get this stuff to absorb. Remember, this is the clay-based product over here. So our goal is to demonstrate an oil mess in a shop or what have you. And then obviously Greasweep works as soon as you start mixing it up. It's just going to absorb it. So this is demonstrating basically what's going to happen in a mechanic shop. If somebody makes a mess, they're obviously going to throw product on the floor, and they're going to start sweeping it up. Now this stuff encapsulates it, like picking up paint, anything else you can put in your hand, and you see you don't have any of that liquid on there. So then you reach over and you tell your customer that's asking the questions about the product, and ask him if he wants to put that in his hand. Would you like to put that in your hand? Nope. Do you want to touch this? Okay. Same exact amount of product, same exact amount of fluid, liquids, and this is what you wind up with. And this here, you can also see that you can actually add more to it. It's not done absorbing. You can pick it up, you can play with it, whatever you want to do. But this I'm not touching.